Welcome folks to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, just showcasing Quopi AI, which has been good to us so far. It's just a short, powerful video updating a withdrawal and how far along we are in this particular cycle. Now, as we can see, today's Sunday, so 15 hours before we go live. As you all know, it's in line with the stock exchange. So what do we have here? So these are the results. 2% on the 21st. It's been pretty consistent. If we look at the trades, very happy with how it's been working out, I must say. So 246, 109, 2.394. So brilliant consistency. So we've seen, as you can see, up to 4% in one day, and if we just look as low as 1.61. So that's brilliant. And obviously, if you look at the trades, they did about 4 trades in this particular day, the last day, and 3 were positive. And obviously, you know, like you do in trading, there's 1 negative. So a very consistent, powerful platform. If I look at maybe my withdrawals, let's have a look. Alright, okay, let me do a withdrawal live. Withdrawals take no longer than 10 minutes. They should hit your account. Now select TRC20. I don't know why this is a bit slow. Right, okay, select TRC20. I've got 12.43 USDT. Just punch that in very nicely to the last decimal there. We want it all. And then if we pop in our 2-factor authenticator, let's have a look. Okay. Yep. I remember now. It's changed over, so I have to go again. There you go. Withdraw. Guys, please make sure you put your 2FA on all your platforms. So that's another withdrawal done, pending, but I'll give it no longer than 5-10 minutes. So these are all the withdrawals I've done in the last few days. There are no withdrawals that take place over the weekend. Very powerful platform. I've got nothing bad to say about this platform. If we go home and just take a look at how much longer I have, I think this is the new format that all platforms are looking to this is the level they're trying to achieve, to be fair, because Quopi has been fantastic. So we're up to 58%, 27 days really. Remember, the weekends aren't counted, so 3 more days and the cycle will be complete. I will get my 500 back, and I'll probably have broken the 60% barrier by then. I'll obviously do a video because we want to see if everything is good and once the cycle is complete. And that's it. That's powerful, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just documenting, or at least showcasing, my journey. Please like and subscribe. We're up to 170 subscribers. If we can hit that 200 mark, that'll be brilliant. Thanks to everyone who's obviously come on board behind me. So you got a few people, members joined, and that sort of this sort of amount of people who've come up behind me, and they're all winning. I must say, every one of them has been getting their profits back. Shout out to Nico74 again. He's followed me around in quite a few platforms and is obviously up. So on that note, guys, I want to say thanks for the support in the channel, guys. Join the Telegram group in the link. If you've got platforms that you know of, or that you've got wind of before I have, pop it into the chat, and hopefully I can join beneath you like I have done in the past. Okay, folks, appreciate your time, and on that note, I am out of here.